Hello YouTubers, and please, this is my first video and this is Wild Grinders Emo Chris.
While some may simply see this as two trees, I see this as nature's gift to skateboarding.
Just do the trick!
Look at these trees.
Just do the trick, please!
It would be criminal not to acknowledge.
And then you did the trick!
Oh, how dare you.
Are those birds?
I believe they are, JJ. And do you know what they're saying? Nice trick. Be free, my winged friends. Thank you for the pleasure of your company.
And that's it. See ya. Please comment and please don't try to dislike. So, see ya, Wild Grinders. I might make a second video, so see ya.